Hi, I want to show you a simple recipe for shrimp scampi. These are my ingredients for my shrimp scampi. I am going to use linguine pasta, but you can also use spaghetti pasta. I have tomatoes and I'm going to chop this. And I have lemons and fresh Italian parsley. And then of course, butter. And this is the Italian seasoning. And I have freshly ground pepper. Now my pasta is boiling and I timed it for 10 minutes, and make sure you check it once in a while you're preparing the rest of your ingredients. Now I'm gonna show you how to clean your shrimp. This is really fresh from the Asian store. So I'm going to cut the head like this. I'm going to peel off the skin of the shrimps, but I want to keep the tail, because when you serve this later, it will add beauty on your garnishing. So you cut the back of the shrimps, and it looks like a butterfly, and there's a black thing at the back. This calls the intestine of the shrimp, and you remove it. So it's clean. Now this is clean. It looks like a butterfly. And also the reason why I don't want to remove the tail, because the skin of the shrimps, when you saute it, it will add to the flavor. So I'm gonna clean my surface here so I can start cutting my vegetables. So I'm gonna squeeze my lemon. So I'm gonna use 1/4 cup. So when I slice my tomatoes, I always want to remove the center of the tomatoes. I don't like to use the seeds, and you just chop, 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 chop. Keep chopping my tomatoes. So I use 2 tomatoes for this recipe for like 6 ounces of linguine. So that's my tomatoes. And I'm going to chop fresh parsley for my garnish later. So fresh parsley, and now I'm ready to saute it. So my skillet is already ready, and it's really hot on a medium heat, and I'm going to add 4 tablespoons of butter. 4 tablespoons of butter. Now I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of garlic, crushed garlic. Now I'm gonna add lemon. To check if your shrimps are ready, you just have to look at the tail. When they're pink, they're ready. Now my linguine is ready, and make sure you really drain the water. This is ready, and I'm gonna add it in. Yummy. And you just toss it. Toss it. Look at that, it's so beautiful. It smells so good. You can smell the garlic, you can smell the lemon and Italian seasoning, and the flavor of the shrimp is so yummy. Now you can finish up your shrimp scampi with grated Parmesan cheese. The reason why I did not put a lot of salt, you only put like 1/8 of salt, is this cheese, Parmesan cheese, have salt already, and this will add more creamy taste on your scampi. Now your shrimp scampi is ready. Mangia, mangia. It's an Italian dish that's easy to make, and it's so good. Cheers to my shrimp scampi recipe!